kano tule Kasese municipality kandi tule na Muhindi Bukombe Elifazi onune LC5 owe Kasese district kandi aliumwa show campaign sikuwe erangerende abandu be Kasese bakamusuba yo office yeyo omuruma owakabere so tunena tukaya kanaya nayo turangire ende kasikuwe nuko sinene mwende mbere erangerende akaisuburira ya office eyo wait honorable Wasinja Kutsebu ritwa akatuko eribya itukekania konao tukanze rimenyerere show campaigns nemwenda city embere.
Wasinja Kutsebu moderator abawulikirira banzwa nabalangiri abali omwacho kino kye Kasese na Uganda Muhindi Bukombe Elifazi lili nalyaye chairman LC5 we Kasese kandi incumbent kandi ne musondekania Gatuli ne munyisubulira tamu yakabe erimbere sha campaign zishetu sinamwenda ndeke. First of all ngali confident ndiakaruka ntukayaka singa 1 oma primaries mubanyihere mitwe 10 15 runani asatu nabone abanyisubuka banya bosi sale mwanga butere nivyo bwabusubuli bya nakimu cyakabere ekyo kikakangana ya popularity yanga wuti mwabantu ekyakabere mwatu kasondekana yakarurwa ka NRM president ya Malaba aba member of parliament ebusimuka aba Malaba ekikakangana ya twabiri wirabandu ebebe bya NRM kanijenga loka for front obuli meja satu inabiri wirabandu be Kasese be government ya verikola naba makilangirera kunituya yabanyoni betu ini bakabya be 10 namuka okukikumisanyo namuka twamba be cyokolebo eribye Kasese eribye eri 10 okukikumisanyo namuka twama tungana bona eyabera kitwa kola ibindu bye shanguda masipatara amaetse amasukuru ambuye koleme badasha microirrigation schemes nethen ebyo bisibikagangana ya NRM ku ya verikola so injaka ekalunga ya inganaute amahamanen ngokutuka yakasinga kusangwa already luilu abere chungukala already tunga president wetu manifesto yiwe yayi abere olebwa aba MP betu nerene tutukaya yongera ku biryo kwezi abere nabebere mwale ndikithiru kya kan obukikamanyisende abanyakasisi abosi ngabayisengeriza ya tuleke rikole mistake kundi government yikairiza ya bantu ne government sikabisatu central government local government local government momuli district ne sub county mwamabiri kulikira mukakole mistake mwabere sombola central government mwabere high president Museveni manifesto ya NRM na yuke iko kwa district kandi wanzere butukabe ndule waletaita uta manifesto eyebirikiribwa nabanya Uganda obusi weba ne service no kwa sub county na obusi weba ne service so cyengamanyisa yani cha ngasaba indi manifesto ya every labamu twena na yembere ke tuminye tutitwa kongudingai so enjo bururu ngasamalira ngobwama 1 twabiri kombinga esha sub county zishe Busongora North twabiri kombinga esha sub county zishe mwa South twabiri kombinga esha sub county esha division zishe mwa municipality twabiri kombinga esha Gombora esha Bukonzo East twabiri kombinga esha Gombora esha Bukonzo West ukwayilangirira omabanga ikamu nati ababiri tukana retubwera ababere bakatimbayo ambakaya bakomi opposition abantu bababuli ambukama tukomi opposition kandi mwamale tebye regionalism muteri abantu bobusiba malweria indi tutuli ronda bakoli kasituli ronda che region abandi mbo madini ebyo madini kasibere kasituli ko bishop tukako momundu oyuka yeriza ya bandu be Kasese and therefore ngende basaba mwire tusombole abantu abatunasi tubakaya kola aba NRM because NRM manifesto ya yirokwa okwalolera nawo ese ni manifesto eshabo simanya cyagulanya musikadiba mu Uganda yose diona na manifesto yereo ya NRM
omuntu angana ibulia honorable mukachikora muti ererangerende this time around inyubosi mukaba beyero mukakolisa ya strategy oba muri ngoki
strategy yetu okulesirie yeye risoborera abantu ererangire bya NRM ya verikola omukonzo no mutora kabati akarunji kayetunda akabuyeka kayulaya obuli mundu oshabere minyati kwesi NRM yabe nemutukolera neri ababya bakabyo mwe bitundu iba kabiso mwatsi sibe tubwera beitu tukuri twabere bwera abantu akukana kakodi twakolisiri sale na magic akakodi okatwakolisiri is service delivery bana wolibi bakole project eya maet iyendo magombori 10 ikwahoreshe bilioni ngana musani abantu batunge project eya PDM ematungeshe billion ngani satu anga wira hanu ke tukaya tunde sindi billion esikaya second by June makumi asatu obulitwale kerikeri abitungisha milioni 15 eliongero kwa watu na watu abere turungorede so eshe milioni 12 eshika ya abira abantu bamezi abe sangana liwangana rekome government yeringe because wamane kome buchikama nyisendo wa maferwa hano habi umulimu banaba muambu president yakendi asa chairman na executive yo nabakasera ibe yabiseme kitolo che president ni abya hano wabe katuwe tichabe ni mayor we municipality musha kulukabya kwatale byango bitwabisi kibutre buune government beito ati obo utwama bebutunga ba MP obosi na mukayamba tukayahana bakansela bosi imwe yahana ba chairman yelo C1 imwe yahana ba chairperson ya sub county ya Shagombora obosi tukibitwama betu twama biriwunzi motere bara emirundi ya president jamata ikana mwanyikoma na lahira ya 19 okwa katano ngumi 2 ebero muka okwa ebero bitano okwa muka mwasi nama musoborere bitsibu byetu ecyuma kubyo munamubwera okwa administration block abitu supporting already ecyakabere munamubwera ndiri bwindya ngombe abantu betu abali omwango no musinga balangi ndibakabaruka nyamwanga biri chikola so sincerely we have delivered
ebikuru ne byahebe ukarangera ebyaruba byukarangira iwe ngo mundu wabirikolera abantu then bautere kukoma ebiro ya abere nabebe
njengo mundu nabiri kuligisha program ya government nabirangiryo buholo bukaenda mbere nabirikola ekikatoleka erikola nga chairman cha utolere wakola eri monitoring government programs habibe biribe bindu bya government omwa district ahabwe bembimeti ababya ebisina mabisubulia iba kafere government iba kozinga misango e district yetu na engaging lawyer chiriai already twama byanda tukesinga misango eyo betu bali bakakona ivingana bakakilaiminga so olusini lumembe na malukolanga muhindi all the lumembe lona makolanga muhindi obibi o corruption erirwanishayo kundi corruption ikadi chakala kinabonde twama bitungo ku zero tolerance olwe corruption tukinana na lwembere kandi njemo mukoba karurwanisaya but in all in all sahali chairman oyuka kolebi wengo mundu ajuka implementing a manifesto ye so I have implemented a manifesto ya NRM
kaka nayo corruption.
Yes please.
Nga katukarangira a service commission up to now is not constituted. Obutsibu niki?
A service commission ekikale kitabya constituted baba kayisunzira byabo. Ini yayisunzira what iyo byeko kutse mwale wabo. Neri iye habya bya procedure eri hirayomo neri banze ribamba bakayikikamo uyu. Neri equal opportunity neri nayo yabenga interrupting services as a public service commission ya Kampala. Baitu bane mu bisotinga. Echi ndiye cyabareho babiri minyambu muhindi na hardcore okurwanisha corruption kandi amabere tayika yabye yakayabe ne reverend ambutwa mako ne bakachika nuko ribwa mbo reverend yechatala ba beito abo bakaya he muka reverend yakayasa
idi
namakuri ndiyakayasa utsukere koma tukayabe kwama akayasa guzi sale musangwe sale musango ebyo bakande ko tujegere ebanze ribwambo yimwe amabusumure kirimo approving echenderwa cyabo bakabwambo bakazerire meshi system eye muhindi manire nga chairman crusade irwanishe corruption kundi banasho mwahole wongana uko ne sisoni kwa butuka ya mubwera ukanzira butuko iba nere bakakole byebyosi nabo uko bakabwambo bakarwanishe corruption ya abandi abaturwanisha abaleke nanga yitira byaho AIGG ne police itakolo mubiri wayo banziriba babari milioni ya 35 numwala wese bwana siminye ndikawo muhyaka bari akabaneka nango yuri ayenda yabali transfer ndi wake amanyira tichairman abantu banamunyisaba sente nisha amboni ala wese zisha ndibwe shebye sheje ati amushebye she probe committee ba zishasinga ati babari tratunga 35 kai bachinanze se namamure ndibwana wabuni bibi because sal supplementary budget ya twatwa kolire tutihabye IGG ne police yabike korera busitutayo na chikumi so abantu abo bamatunga muisamo twangana cyo watu basale abayo ku committee ayi na you authorizing atibasi kolisaye na ini akesi sala because ekitabu cyetu kikabwande keke kirayo oyuko kuzinga financial loss akatwayunga omuntu bomalangera kungarwa ni corruption.
So a probe committee has never yielded anything.
What did it yield? A report again the end up saying in IGG ne police meaning that they also accept defeat in the Mubatakolumubiriwa because you can't say okay investigating an allegation can do what about there is an allegation so to share the police that is signing kakanga na immaturity. They had taken a mature decision, you know. Nabaranga sakasese munababuri ndinje nga muhindi bukombe refers I am a scholar because so angabyo kwa university kwa edinge department unemo supervising research abana bakakola postgraduate neben ukabuti mbino me every kind happening on my district here is singa nabias because I have a question say what is the problem? What is the cause of that problem? What must be done to address the problem? That is me. And you can't do that unless when you are a scholar.
Okay. Honorable Karangira, unity. This time around, how are you going to handle it to ekizibucha regionalism?
No, ekizibucha regionalism in Kasese passe sikira naho. But the selfish people abantu abakanze byabo babakahulai nganze kwange kiralangirira. Sisi tanyu moriyo. Tulutuka tungabembembeti abakalwa ebukonzo. Iyelwa chairman we service commission, iyelwa chairman we district movement, none of the people from Busongora have ever complained. But when Kitaenda came in, they started complaining about regionalism. When I came in, now I'm complaining about regionalism. Even when in a previous chairman, in a Iraq voice one, in a Iraq secretary, in a Binakalwa, in a Binakalwa, in Yakatons. In Iraq on the secretary, in a vinya kalwa, Nani Karusandar, in Iraq on the vinya kalwa blame, Neritu Iraq Navad. It was someone about chairperson of the sector committee. All the represented. Where is the regionalism? She committees, she boards.
But Mamviri, coach.
No, yesterday I disproved.